This peanut butter pie is outrageously good. Seriously, if you love chocolate and peanut butter, this pie is for you.
The crust is a dream and super simple to make. Pulse the chocolate cookies, I use Oreos, in your food processor until they form fine crumbs. Add softened butter and process until the mixture comes together. Press it into your pie dish and don't worry about being perfect. Just do your best to create an even layer and the filling will do the rest. Pop it into the fridge to chill while we make the filling. You'll need powdered sugar, I like to sift it first, heavy cream, cream cheese, and, of course, peanut butter. Whip the cream with a bit of powdered sugar until it forms stiff peaks that hold their shape when you lift the whisk. Transfer the whipped cream to a separate bowl, then, in the same bowl you used for the whipped cream, no need to wash it, beat the cream cheese and peanut butter until smooth. Add the powdered sugar, but watch out that your mixer is on a lower speed or else you will be covered. Then keep that mixer on low speed to gently fold in the whipped cream. Spread the cloud-like filling into your chilled cookie crust and then top it with crushed peanuts and shaved chocolate. I absolutely love it. This is a no-bake peanut butter pie, but it does need some time in the fridge to firm up. I usually leave it overnight. And that's it. The not too sweet, creamy peanut butter pie that my family won't stop talking about. I can't wait for you to try it. See you next time.